Hey everyone, Max Keller here. Save your home buyers, save your publishing house. You might have seen some of my videos where I help people get more deals and dollars with books, real estate investors. And one of our real estate investor students had a really big win that I want to share with you. And it's around the topic of, keeping up with folks that we mailed to a long time ago, like how to automate that follow-up and how to basically capture more of those leads and turn them into deals. Because it's no secret, the response rate to most marketing is pretty low. And a lot of that is not so much that those folks won't ever sell their house. I mean, a lot of people will, obviously. It's just that we didn't hit the exact right, perfect timing bubble. But if, somebody needs to sell, I don't know, a year from now, it's hard to have, one of our acquisitions team members just like call people forever. Like who has time to call 500 or 1,000 people when they don't need to sell their house? So one of our students out in California actually had a great strategy. He's been really successful at using Facebook retargeting. So he takes his book that he licensed through us, he puts it on his mail, he gets a great response, he gets curiosity, but curiosity gets them to the website. And if they don't need to sell right now, probably not filling out a lead form. But what he does is he takes his Facebook pixel and puts it on his motivated seller website. And so that way, as soon as they hit the website, then we know that's somebody who's been to our website. And he just sends a retargeting ad just to those people. So he's not having to have a giant budget. It's very cost effective because, think about it. You just drive a neighborhood randomly. You don't know if those people are motivated, if they even own the home. But if somebody's been to your website, that's somebody who's pretty close. And so it automatically in Facebook, he has it set up to where he sends out these ads and he personalizes them. He tells a little bit about his story. We have some info on that on some of our other videos, so check that out. But he's done everything you're supposed to do, basically. He puts his face on it, he puts his name out there. And so he had a gentleman who he bought the house from, and literally the guy's like, motivated seller is talking to him, and he's talking to my student like he knows him. And my student's like, no, I've never met you before. But because he's been getting the Facebook retargeting ads for like a year, he feels like he knows my student. He feels like they're part of the family. And so what's cool about that is all the time leverage. My student was there the whole time. And then when he was ready to sell, he was there, but it was digital, it was electronic. It didn't have to be physical. It started with the mail, it started with the curiosity, but the Facebook retargeting basically automated the follow-up. And so if you're not doing, Facebook retargeting now in your home buying business, I don't know, to me it's a no-brainer. It's not really that complicated to set up, and there's a bunch of articles online, but that's something that's been working for us, that's working for my students, and if you never consider it, maybe give it a shot. Bye.